This is Scrapbook.com, and we're at the Reminisce booth looking at a fun winter collection called Jack Frost. And this collection is full of frosty elements. So this is the collection kit where you can get the papers and the coordinating sticker sheet in one. So we're gonna look at the sticker sheet really quick. This is the sticker sheet full of rectangular stickers that are all sentiments and phrases perfect for winter. So love this. Snowflakes are kisses from heaven, snow angels, Jack Frost, love never melts. So really nice sentiments for all of your winter scrapbooking and card making. Then I'll just show you a couple pieces of paper here from the collection. Love this green and blue frosty leaf collection. So pretty with the evergreen. And I'll also show you this really pretty snowflake paper that I like. Perfect for backgrounds for skiing, ice skating, going to the snow, etc. Really pretty. And then lastly, I wanted to share this layout that was made with this collection to give you guys a little bit of inspiration on how you can use Jack Frost, the new collection from Reminisce. Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Mixed Media event in Sandy, Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!